ఇంకా యా సో సంయుక్త ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యాడ్ ఎనీథింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ యాజ్ అ వారియర్ మాకు కనిపించబోతున్నారు కాబట్టి హౌ ఈజ్ ఇట్ టు బికమ్ అ వారియర్?
So I will start the story from the time I met my director, sir. I got to know about this project. My manager told me after that he came, narrated the story. The kind of research and knowledge he has, that's very rare. Ante oka, it's not, people might know little here and there. Mostly ippudu andaru Instagram lo chusi koncham postlu avi ivi koncham information untayi. Kani the kind of research and the knowledge that he has put in for this story is something amazing. Daniki oka correct timeline. Sir, I think it's time for you to, come take the limelight.
See, I'm most comfortable behind the screen. Okay. So that's better, I guess.
But now it's time to talk about the film, no,
Yeah,
sir.
sure.
So yeah, you should definitely. Yes.
So when I heard the story, it, as Nikhil said, it's a story of an underdog. And the kind of journey that he goes through, and the story, how it, unveils itself through the film, it was so good. And I don't know, I felt very emotional because ఎందుకంటే ఇది చాలా 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 వెయిట్ చేసి ఎఫర్ట్ పెట్టి టెక్నీషియన్స్ అందరూ the kind of we thought we'll release the film when 2 years back. అది తర్వాత post production, and this is a film which became bigger and bigger through the process of the film. First schedule ante
Madhugaru knows
I am
about
so
it.
sorry.
Bigger and bigger.
I'm so sorry. Sign చేసేప్పుడు okay, we had a vision and oka planning and everything we had. Tarvata they felt I don't know what happened in between. Before I started shooting, it became a big film, very big film. And when I started shooting, then Senthil garu was there, and he's a real monk. I mean, inta peaceful ga, calm ga, he has that tone of peace and calm. Have you ever seen other version? Okay, I have not.
ఆయనకి ఇదంతా కొట్టింది. మనం నిద్రలో నుంచి లేచి 2 టేబుల్ చెప్పమంటే చెప్తాం చూసారా, ఆ టైప్ లో చెప్తారు ఆయన. సెంధిల్ గారు ఆయన దగ్గర కూడా వెళ్దాం.
No. This is how it goes. Now you take over.